Holy crap.
Here is the computer screen. That's part of it.
I probably could have made it from your barn, actually.
I doubt it.
I don't.
We shattered the crap out of that.
That's a pretty accurate shooting gun, though, so it's not too hard to do it.
I see the motherboard.
That's some fun shit right there. I need some other stuff to blow up.
Very nice.